Hej! Hjärtligt välkomna till Sveriges ambassad i Tokyo. Jag heter Anna Högberg och jag är gift med ambassadören. Please, I want to show you our residence. So please join me to the big reception room. This is where we have the big functions. So for instance, if there is a Japanese Nobel Prize winner, and all the furniture and the interior design is by Swedish designers. So in Sweden, I would say in the summertime we are very much outdoors. But from fall, when it starts getting colder, and also in the wintertime, we spend a lot of time indoors. And of course, the interior design is very important to us. And over here is our dining room. So today the table is very small, only for 6 people, but we can seat up to 24 people in here. So for our dinners, this is where we gather. And over here we have a sunroom. And in Sweden, in the wintertime at least, it's very dark. So sun is very important and light. So today, this is where I'm going to do my fika. It's the Swedish saying for coffee time. So here is the fika, which sometimes is just a cup of coffee. But sometimes you also get a cake or a bun or something to the coffee. Fika is very important in the Swedish society, I would say. In the workplaces, in offices, you would have fika twice a day. So like 10 o'clock and 3 o'clock. You meet your colleagues in the kitchen or somewhere in the corridor maybe over a cup of coffee, and you would speak for 5-10 minutes, either about work things or about totally different things. Family, friends, what you're going to do over the weekend and so on. Here at the embassy, I know the staff, they have fika every day. So in today's program, you're going to see how you can cook a few of the Swedish dishes. But if you really want to try Swedish food, please come to Sweden. So very welcome now to the kitchen of the residence. And here we have our wonderful chef, Johan Ahlstedt. So, do you like to work in this kitchen?
I love it. I think it's really good.
Very big.
A lot of space, all the material that I need, and fantastic to work in Japan with all the nice produce I can get here. So I'm really happy about it.
So, Johan, what are you going to cook for us today?
Today I will cook, I make a toast skagen. Open-faced sandwich with shrimps and mayonnaise. And what else? A fish soup from the archipelago. And what else? One more thing.
Jansson?
Yeah, Jansson's Temptation with anchovy, potatoes and onions. Really easy to make, and you can succeed in making them at home. So good luck.